In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover the email address in your Canva account. We'll walk through this slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. Go ahead and open Canva in your browser and log into the account you want to work with. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile area there. This usually shows either your name, a profile picture, or an icon with your initials. Click on this profile section to open up your account options. When you click your profile, a small menu or sidebar will appear. From here, you'll want to go into your account settings, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This is where Canva keeps all the controls related to your account, including your login details, security options, and personal information. It's a good idea to remember where this is because you'll likely come back here whenever you want to adjust how you sign in or manage your account. Once you're in the settings area, you'll see several tabs or sections. Look for the section related to your login details. This may be labeled Login, Login and Security, or something similar, depending on the version of Canva you're using. Go ahead and click on that login section. This page is where Canva lists the email addresses and methods you use to sign into your account. On the login page, look for an option that says Add. This is the button you'll use to add or recover an email address for your Canva account. Click on Add, and Canva will prompt you to enter the email address you'd like to connect. This can be a recovery email, a new login email, or an additional address that helps you access your account more easily. When you add a new email, Canva may send a verification link to that address. Make sure you have access to the inbox for the email you're adding, and check for a confirmation message. Open that email and follow the instructions to verify it. Verifying is important because until you do, Canva may not fully recognize that email as part of your account. That's it. By clicking your profile, going into settings, opening the login section, and then using the add button, you can recover or add an email address to your Canva account and keep your access safe and up to date.